Today I am going to show you some interesting automations about HVAC. Suppose you have HVAC in the wheelhouse, you have indoor and outdoor. It's easy to connect. Like you can use Nest, Ecobee and Aqara any devices. But when there is a VRF system or multi outdoor units and multi indoor units, like one outdoor and 10 indoor units are there, like VRF and VRV, then what is the solution? How to connect both the indoors and outdoors in one controller. So this is the things we are going to show you. Very interesting solution for the HVAC in the VRF and VRV. Let's come on. Yes, this is our Aqara VRV controller. So that is called as VRF controller T1. This is Aqara solutions. So it has a power. It's a power adapter. You can connect to a load. It's coming with the adapter. And these two are the air conditioning F1 and F2. So we need to connect the cables from here. Just I will show you how to install and how to connect the cables. So this is our mounting bracket. So it has two bases here. See, you can see clamp here. Just open this and just plug and tighten this. So we can install like this. And this is our power adapter. So it has a power as well. Just connect the adapter. And this is our HVAC cable. It's coming from the outdoor, from the VRF outdoor. So we have to connect these two cables in the F1 and F2 of air conditioning. So we have two cables here. F1 and F2, we have two port. This is the F1. So red is going for the F1 and F2 is going for the black. How to connect these two cables? And these cables, this twin cable is coming from the outdoor. It's connected to the F1 and F2. And how to connect in the outdoor? So this is getting a communication from the outdoor. Then how to connect in the outdoor? Let's come, I will show you. This is our outdoor unit. So in this, it has three ports. Port 1, F1, F2, port 2, F1, F2 and port F1, F2. It's clearly mentioned here to the outdoor unit. We need to connect these two cables, F1 and F2, in this F1 and F2 to the outdoor unit. The first one is for the indoor units, second one is for our VRF system, and third one is for the slave and the other units. This is how you come to know connect the outdoor cables and indoor cables. So indoor cable, outdoor you come to know. So then how to add, how to set up, how to configure the VRF T1 controller. Just open the Aqara app. So if you created the account, just log in. So we have already created the account. So I'm going to add this VRF controller. Give add accessories and go for here HVAC, and here you get VRF controller T1. This is our hub. Please add the hub.
Please add accessory.
Now, so once it is on, the power is on. So it will show the QR code. Once it is showing the QR code, please press this for 5 seconds. So by pressing this, the VRF controller is going to factory reset. It's going to reset. So it will get the information from the outdoor. Yes. Now it's reset. Once it is reset, you need to add in the application. So this is our add. I'm going to add the application now. Just press this set button for 5 seconds. When it is making the alarm like a beep sound, continuous, this time just leave your hand.
Accessory added successfully.
Yes. When it says accessories, please try again. Yeah, it's added. So I'm going to change this controller name. Just I'm giving VRF controller. Okay, and the electrical room. So if you want to change anything, you can change number. Just I'm going to skip all this. Yes. Now our device is added. because the device is still 0, unit is showing 0 unit. So once it is connected and all the outdoor and the indoor units all are in on, and this will show the 10 units. Once it is shows the 10 units, you can change the names, so that will appear here all the 10 units. So one by one you can change the name wherever it is, and you get the VRF, and from the Daikin VRF, they are provided some of the group address like 1 to 1, 1 to 2, 2 to 3, like that. So for indoor unit, one for the formal living, second one for the dining. Please check with that match with the group address and change as per the name. So then you can control from the thermostat. Thank you so much.